Hi guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to download GTA Vice City on PC. If you want to play this classic game on your computer or laptop, just follow these simple steps. So let's get started. First of all, open your browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Now go to an official and trusted platform like Steam, link in description. If you don't have Steam installed, click on Install Steam, download it, and install it on your PC. Then open Steam and log into your account. In the search bar, type Grand Theft Auto Vice City and press enter. Click on the game from the search results. After that, scroll down and click on Add to Cart, since GTA Vice City is a paid game. Complete the purchase process. Once the purchase is complete, go to your library, select GTA Vice City, and click on Install. Choose the installation location and wait for the download to finish. After installation, click on Play, and you can start playing GTA Vice City on your PC. That's how you can easily download GTA Vice City on your PC.